Opening Bell is brought to you by TD Ameritrade.
You're watching CNBC's Squawk on the Street, where the opening bell should have rung 5 seconds ago, but has not. And still has not.
What's wrong up there, Mark? There we go.
Finally.
Still not going here.
Oh, you're right.
That's the NASDAQ.
There is no
All right.
bell here at the big board. I don't know whether we actually need the bell to start trading.
Hold on. I'm going to tell you, everyone down.
I can only assume that members of the New York Mets were in charge of ringing the bell this morning.
There is a little bit of a consternation down here about there being no bell, but you can hear the overhead.
Anyway, here's the big board. Duff and Phelps Corporation, ticker DUF, a financial advisory firm celebrating its first listing anniversary. We'll talk to the managing director in a moment. Yeah, we had no bell.
What does no bell mean? Have you guys have to
I
wait?
think it's some kind of prize. And at the NASDAQ, the Minister of Foreign Affairs from Uruguay.
All right. Our market reporters are standing by. Bob Pisani, have you ever seen anything like no bell?
Yeah, that's a little strange here. In fact, I was just chatting with Duncan Niederauer, the CEO, as we were going by here about what was going on. Let's just move on here and talk about what's going on. So here's